This video is just to give you guys a tip. If you're like me and you are mowing your lawn with your Ryobi mower and it just keeps cutting out and you're getting so frustrated you just want to absolutely soccer kick your mower across the street, check under this compartment here and check your emergency switch. I'm here trying to mow my lawn and I just happen out of the corner of my eye to see this thing kind of moving around. Make sure this thing's pushed in, and that will 9 times out of 10 fix your problem. I was having this issue for weeks and I couldn't figure it out. It's this dumb switch. Hope this helps you guys. Later.